Wonder why I do whatever I like, I do. What I like, I do.
Well, as you can see, I have a lot of food on me, and it's mainly spicy food because this is my first time to do a mukbang, whatever how y'all say it. So my version is gonna be spicy food, of course. So I have spicy noodles. I got spicy nuggets from Wendy's. I got a spicy wrap from Wendy's. I got a regular McChicken. I got a spicy McChicken. I got chicken, a spicy junior from Burger King. And I also ordered chicken. This is my first time making a mukbang, even though I eat a lot on my own. But I love spicy food. If you know me, I love spicy food so much. I could handle the heat, honestly, so. What should I talk about? College, maybe? Honestly, personally, I find college easy for me. I have a good GPA. My classes for this semester are easy. I'm taking fall and spring. And I'm a freshman. But there's not one teacher I don't like. She's man boring. Like, how do you expect the class to come if you're boring? You know? I'm so hungry. This is basically my lunch. I got some ranch, buffalo wings. I ordered extra because I love spicy food. Later on, the toilet is not gonna be happy. I don't know how like mukbangers do it. We're eating so much. Like Stephanie So, I think that's her name. I know her name is Stephanie. She is so tiny and she's just not getting any weight. Like she be eating a lot. Like a lot. So this is spicy McChicken. And I honestly don't like to eat the bun a lot. So I just take the bottom and then take the other McChicken and I put together from Mouse Buffalo. So like I said. So I just do a lot of sauce and then just put them together. Cause bitch, I could take the heat honestly. So it's putting over. Let me tell you. I'm sorry, I'm just dripping off it off the table. So let me tell you how this Tuesday I have night class. Now we're getting on the train. And girl, I saw a cute white guy. He was very cute. He was ginger. He had nice blue eyes. Like, we made eye contact. Like, you want something? Let me know. Hey, white guys are honestly so cute. White guys are on the top of my list now because they don't be playing. Even though I never dated one, but who knows? So good. I'm sorry, but Hopefully, I don't gain weight. Well, even though I do exercise, but still. I never had this. This on Monday. This is a spicy chicken wrap. Have you ever guys had one before? This looks sad. Let's have a taste test. It's my knee. Bread on the top. Don't like that. It's dry. You know what'll make it better? Buffalo sauce. My dog came. He's hungry too. But I'm not gonna give him anything. It's spicy. It's not good for him. I'll give him a fry. Yeah. Move. I've never had this either. It's from Burger King. Oh, I thought it was plastic. I was about to say. Like, the fuck? Bro. How your way? A Burger King. People eat celery? I don't like celery. I like celery juice. In the morning, I always make juice. I don't even know what the hell to eat. So, okay, I have another wing. I have another wing to match. I'm gonna order blue cheese, but I really don't like this. These are McDonald's fries, but the place I ordered, like the fries with the buffalo, they look exactly like motherfucking McDonald's fries. Like, I'm gonna eat the bun for this one. So there's 3 buns. Look at that mayonnaise. I love mayonnaise. I like anything. I'll eat anything in a hot dog and everything. You know, reddish, mustard, ketchup, and all that shenanigans. I could eat. So let's see if I can finish this all. Because if I do, I'll be impressed. Because I never eat this much. Even I do sometimes, but like it depends on what I'm eating. So. This is so good. God damn. I think I'm eating too fast. You know when you eat fast and it starts to hurt here? Yeah. Yeah. Get down. Get down. Let's talk about my cousin. Tell me how. She told me that she sleeps without underwear. That she just puts her pants on. She's not sleeping with underwear. Like what? I'm not saying she's a weirdo, but she can be one. She is one, I guess. But like, the only reason she does not sleep like without an underwear, because scientifically proven to her, right, that and when you sleep, when you put like too much layers on to sleep, like your pussy does not have like that oxygen to go inside in order to pack fresh air. Am I making sense? But basically she told me that if you sleep without underwear, like your pussy, right, has the ability to have more oxygen to breathe. Okay, sis. Okay. Sure. Honestly, I didn't like the Burger King chicken sandwich. Cause the bread is breaking. Look. Oh God. The fuck is this? Not my cup of tea, but the McChicken. Chicken is good. I promise I'm not a messy eater. I mean, I'm not. Damn, what do you want? My dog doesn't even know. No, I'm eating. But when I put his food, for him to eat, he does not come at all. I'm just gonna finish this because I only have a little bit left. I swear it's not spicy. So now I'm gonna proceed to eat the buffalo boneless wings that I ordered. I miss eating this because when I was in high school, there was a place called Wingstop, and I used to go there with my friends, and I used to always get buffalo. So yeah, I'm good. I got a soda, but I'm gonna give it to my brother because I don't drink soda. I want to drink water and natural juice. But yeah. Okay, I take it back. It's kind of good. Maybe. Look. I don't find it spicy. Like, I really don't. And I'm pretty sure I wasted like around $22 in all of this. Yeah. I don't like a lot of tortilla. I don't like this, the wrap a lot. I want to do a seafood mukbang with my friends, but it goes one way or the other. One is busy, one is free, the other one is busy, this and that. So I was like, okay, I got it. Originally, today, one of my friends was supposed to come, but she was busy. So I was like, okay, that's fine. So good thing I had a like I cooked. And I was like, let me do a mukbang. And why not? I'm not gonna let nothing stop me from continuing doing my videos. I never tried celery with ranch. Let's see how it tastes like. That's disgusting. Okay, I'm finish this. I like to eat and not waste my food. Cause you know, like they say, there's a lot of people who are starving, don't have nothing to eat. You have to be grateful what you have. So yeah. You want a bite?
Yeah.
So I have my brother over here now because he came back from school. And I got him nuggets. How was school?
Good.
You want to try buffalo wing?
Sure.
You want ranch?
Sure.
But you already have ranch. Hurry up.
This is a chicken nugget.
Boneless wing, homie.
I know, but they look like chicken nuggets.
Nigga, you look like a chicken nugget.
Hey, you calling me fat?
I ain't call you fat. I say you're a chicken nugget. You're french fries, leave me alone. You want fries?
Yes.
Look exactly like from McDonald's. From the place that I ordered.
Yeah, I thought you were tricking me because these exactly look like McDonald's fries.
Mm-hmm. Unless.
I heard there was a restaurant using Popeye's chicken in their food.
Really?
Yeah.
You want ketchup or no?
No. Yeah, they were buying chicken from Popeyes and using it.
But you want to try a spicy nugget from Wendy's?
Sure.
You like this?
Yeah, I'm getting more fat.
Me too. I don't want to gain. But I'm like, why not? Just do it honestly. And my dog is getting annoying. I can't give you chicken. I'm gonna give you chicken.
Wendy's was made in 1969.
That's when your mother was born too, bitch. Oh, 1969?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy was born in she's 42. So.
42, right?
So she was around. No, she was born in the 70s. Yeah.
I want to try the exact year.
Okay, go ahead. Probably 76 or something. No, 77. 1977. Yeah.
1977?
Yeah. Copy. My parents, they have a age gap difference. Like 10 years. 9-10 years. So my mom is 42. That means dad is 51. Yeah. Oh, you look so adorable. He's giving me those puppy eyes.
Yo, you know why dogs always lick your face?
Because they always think you're meat or something to eat.
No, not meat, bones. Because they know they have bones in them.
Tell me. Oh, you want to try this? This is a spicy wrap from Wendy's.
Just leave it there.
Get a bite because I want to eat the whole thing.
I'm gonna tell you 2 more facts after.
You think you're gonna get fat? Look how much I've ate.
No, 2 more facts.
Oh, 2 more facts. Oh, I was about to say. Okay, hit me with those facts.
Okay. Dogs like squeaky toys because it reminds them of their prey, like screaming. Because their ancestors are wolves and they used to hunt like rabbits. And they'll sometimes like squeal when they're about to die. That's why dogs like squeaky toys because it reminds them.
Oh, fuck? Really?
And this one I told you, dogs can smell, dogs and cats I think,
Yeah, I can smell
cancer from you.
Don't tell me it's gonna from you. I'm gonna guess.
Yeah, they can smell cancer from you.
Do you like cats or dogs, guys? Comment down below. I prefer dogs. How about you?
Dogs.
But
Probably
recently,
because we have a dog.
I mean, it's not just that. I feel like I don't know, honestly. I just like dogs. It's like but I feel like with cats, you have like less responsibilities.
If you were to die around cats, I think it takes like
They
a
eat you.
day to a week for them to start eating your body.
Really?
Yeah. If you die around cats, I think it's after a day they start to eat your body.
Well then, meow meow.
This is psychological. As soon as someone puts food in their mouth, immediately ask them a question because they're gonna have to like hurry up and rush their food into their like body so they can answer your question.
Or I could just put my food to the other side of my mouth.
Like a chipmunk.
Yeah, solid. You want celery with your ranch?
No.
You want more?
Sure. Not enough.
No? You didn't even try one of these.
Okay, I forgot.
Give me your verdict on the spicy Wendy's chicken nugget.
110.
Duh.
It's between a 7.5 and an 8. Because, wait, let me try it without the ranch. I'll give it an 8 because of how the spiciness kicks after you're done, like almost done eating it. That's when.
Now, let me give you a fun fact. Fun fact. My dad and I are like the only family members who can handle heat. Your little pussy ass cannot handle heat. Isn't that right? You cannot handle heat.
I'm still deciding to eat spicy things.
I can handle heat. But honestly, I'm getting full. I already could see that I'm bloated. I'm getting bloated, honestly. I should have never ordered 10. I should have just ordered 6. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How much did I even order? 12? Oh, let me look up the menu because I ordered number 5. I ordered 10-piece boneless wings.
They probably give you extra.
I mean, yeah. I think you never tried the breakfast, right? In Burger King?
No.
Have it your way at Burger King.
Also, Jack in the Box used to put poison in their straws.
How the fuck do you know all of this, but you don't know when to do your homework, Kane?
It's because it's about food and food companies.
You're a little fat munchkin. So it's... I can't even hold it. I'm like so full.
It looks depressing.
It is depressing. Look, the bread is already like cracking up.
Yeah, it's very soggy.
I like the lettuce. I'm gonna save this. I paid $12 for this.
They're disgusting things, but I still continue to eat.
I hate when people do that, especially you, Ken, because you're so disgusting when it comes to eating. Like, you be saying some weird fucked up shit. I'm like, bitch, shut the fuck
Like
up.
this, there's a serial killer that used to kidnap their victim, right?
I think you told me.
Yeah, and at night he would release them from a shed that he would keep and help them hunt them down like animals in the forest at a dark night. And also John Fisher. He killed and ate 146, I think, children, and sometimes he will actually write letters to like the parents of the children describing how good they tasted.
I think I'm gonna stop eating. Not because it's too spicy, but I'm getting full. Like, I only have this left. The chicken. And I have this left. I think that's about it. Because the noodles, I'm done. The nuggets, I'm done. Burger King shit, I am not eating that for sure.
Can you say something? This is really disgusting, but the sauce in it looks like someone got really too excited on the chicken patty. Plus, you can literally see like Like added growth
Put
marks.
the goddamn thing in there and shut the fuck up.
It's like they added growth marks onto it. You see like lines on the breading.
I mean, maybe it could have been grilled chicken and just fried it.
I still wanna like boil chicken and then make that into fried chicken. Because the fried chicken, you just take the chicken and you do some shit to it, you butter it, and then boom, you fry it. For me, I just want to boil the chicken and then fry it.
Are you gonna coat it? You're disgusting. So, like I was saying, because I was slightly interrupted by serial killer number 41. I'm full. Like, I'm bloated already. And I know I'm gonna have to eat dinner. I'm gonna have to eat more. And I just don't wanna, like, continue eating. Even though I'm not feeling hungry. Because I'm gonna get bloated and sleepy. Like I am right now.
Probably gonna go into food coma.
So, yeah. I am so sleepy already. My neck hurts. Because I was carrying the whole bag at one side and I was just like falling down. Especially with that wind today. The wind, like, it was strong. I don't know. Yeah, that shit like pushed me.
I feel like one time it would just like pick me up.
But I'm not gonna throw the chicken. Because I have a lot.
Well, the wings, the boneless chicken nuggets.
You want?
The chicken nuggets, no.
They're not chicken nuggets, they're boneless wings!
I know, but they look like fucking chicken nuggets.
The McChicken. I love McChicken. When I was even little, I used to eat McChicken because my mom, I used to hate Happy Meals when I was little. I don't like Happy Meals at all. I don't like chicken nuggets from McDonald's either. I just love the McChicken. Like, it's something so good about it. Like, the lettuce and mayonnaise. The mayonnaise has, like, a different type of mayonnaise taste to it. So, yeah. I guess this is the end of my spicy mukbang or whatever. Yo, I'm so sleepy. You have no idea now. Like, I should have never ordered 10-piece. I should have just stuck with the 6-piece that I had in mind. But I thought I ordered a little food, so I was like, let me get 10-piece just in case. So yeah, I want to do more mukbangs with my friends. I feel like, you know, doing videos with other people that you get to interact more. This little motherfucking rat is not bothering me. This is celery. I can't give you celery. I'm gonna give
Everything is like french fries. Because from my blind ass, it looks like french fries.
You're blind as, of course. Oh my god, look. It's hard.
Smack it on the table.
No, it's not that. No, you feel it like it's hard because the cold air.
You know, wait. You know why it looks like this? Because, like, they don't really grill it, of course. It's kind of like painting the bread.
So you're telling me it's just white bread, but they butter and just go. They could just.
Oh no,
grill
they
it.
not toast it. They put it to some sort of machine that looks like it's toasted.
How the fuck do you even know all of this shit?
TikTok.
Doogie donuts.
Dunkin' Donuts.
Yo, Dunkin' is man good. I should do it. Should I do a Dunkin' Donuts mukbang? I don't know. Comment down below if you want to see that. Or like what other mukbang videos I should do. I'll probably will do seafood next. What else? What's something I like to eat? Like, I will eat a lot.
Sushi?
Sushi. Like pencil box, like Japanese food. That's it for my video. I am so full and sleepy. I don't know how many times I said I'm sleeping full because I'm really sleeping full because I ate so much. I've never ate this much spicy fast food in my years. Sure. That's the thing. Like when we usually go to a fast food restaurant, especially my brother, he likes to order. So I'm just chilling, looking at him eating. And I'm like, let me get one. Let me get another one. And he's like, bitch, you should just order your own. Fuck you, ho. I paid this shit for you. So yeah.
I mean, technically, last time when they ordered 12-piece chicken nuggets, but from 4 chicken nugget boxes, and it only costed me like what?
$3.
Yeah. This is life hack, guys. If you want to be fucking fat as me and you want to order 12 chicken nuggets, cheapest, order 4 chicken nuggets.
Yeah. No, you ordered.
Yeah,
No, you're supposed to say you ordered 3 orders of 4-piece chicken nuggets from the $1 menu. Because usually, so that's 12. So 10-piece chicken nuggets is like $6. So basically, you're just paying like half for it, and you get 2 more chicken nuggets. Cause he's a dumbass. He was gonna pay $6 for just 10 chicken nuggets. I'm like, hey, there's the 4-piece chicken nuggets for $1 something. You damn dumbass. He's gonna be smart. Last time how much you paid? $13 for chicken tendies and fries and like a drink and apple pie.
I like how I bought an extra apple pie because I thought I was gonna buy one for you, but you went to New Jersey.
You a little goddamn fetish.
Hey,
You could at least saved it. I would have gladly ate it, even though it was hard.
It expired at 4:30 p.m.
Oh. Okay, sir. Well, that was thoughtful. You thought of me.
Exactly.
Anywho, so yeah, that's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed me watching my little mukbang of the spicy food, fast food version. Comment down below what other video you want me to see, because I'll be willing to do anything, you know. And I'm gonna do more mukbang videos. Ooh, I have one in mind now. I know what that called, but I forgot to call it.
You want me to tell you?
No.
Okay.
So yeah, that's it for my video. Like, comment, some ideas, subscribe, share, favorite, whatever them hoes be saying. Peace.